Now, this is how you can recover Safari tabs on the iPad. Let me show you exactly how you can do this. If you're new here and first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, you can get inside your Safari browser and open up the new tab, or, you get to the page where you open up like the new things or new websites. And at the bottom somewhere, you should see the edit button alongside plenty of other like elements, like I can see my favorites or whatever. But when I click on edit, I can essentially play and decide which options are going to appear in the new tab as well. And the point is that one of them is the recently closed tabs. And when I enable that, every time I open up the new tab, I'm going to see all of those which I recently closed. Right, so it's interesting because I can just quickly jump back to the closed tabs inside of the Safari web browser, right? There are like 9 of them available, but I can even click on show all, and literally all of the closed ones, which are so many of them, are actually going to appear in here. So yeah, I can quickly just jump back to that page, and yeah, that's how I can recover or go back to the tabs which I closed previously inside of my Safari web browser. Another way how you can do this is when you go to the new tab mode, and when you click the plus button, you obviously get a new tab open. But if you instead hold down on the plus button, you're going to get like a selection of websites which you closed as well, and you can jump back to those very quickly as well. So that would be just another way to make the same effect or the same thing happen. So I hope it makes sense. I just try to be as clear as I can be. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to catch you later in future videos as well. So make sure you subscribe, and that way you'll never miss anything important.